Sometimes, life as a plant manager can feel like you're sprinting during a marathon. You need to hit increasingly difficult production goals every day and get over hurdles like waste, downtime, overfill, and quality issues, all while pivoting to meet changing customer demands. SafetyChain gives you the break you need. With SafetyChain, you can ensure compliance to safety and regulatory requirements and meet your customers' quality expectations without sacrificing the speed of production. Our unique approach gives you the power to capture all critical data, gain plant-wide insight, take rapid action, and achieve scalable growth with real results that optimize labor and productivity, ensure quality, safety, and compliance, and maximize throughput and yield. By putting actionable, real-time information directly into every operator's hands, from maintenance and EHS to quality control and production, so your frontline workers are empowered to take decisive action, and your management team has the visibility to drive top-line growth, whether it is one plant or hundreds after growth. With SafetyChain, you can unify production team silos to maximize throughput and yield, and drive continuous improvement across your plant. Plus, put quality and compliance at the heart of manufacturing, with defined processes and audit-ready documentation, and optimize labor and productivity with tools that build a culture of accountability and teamwork. We're already trusted by thousands of facilities to improve plant performance. So don't waste another minute or cent due to inefficiency. Unify your entire plant with digital plant management. See how SafetyChain can transform your facility by scheduling a demo today.